If I could go back to meet your friend, and I'd hold us to midnight, shake hands. If I could drink a little less red wine that night, I would tell myself to skip that party. I would do it in a fucking heartbeat. If I could write about, try to revolve my brief life. 'Cause everybody hurts them, darling. Don't you know you can't avoid it? What's it even matter to you? Why to live love? Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Skip That Party by Ex-Ambassadors and Jensen McRae. It's an amazing song, guys. Trust me on this one. We're gonna play this with basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in center tuning, put your cap on fret number 3. And we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is a B minor, which I am playing as an open chord, which is 020230. You can play it as a bar chord if you like. This is B minor 7. It's basically A minor, but in frets 2 and 3, and then you bar your second fret. That's your first chord, and then you go to G, and for G I'm using strings 6, 4, 3, 2, okay? And then D, I'm using 4, 3, 2, 1, and then A major, I'm using 5, 4, 3, 2, okay? So we have we have, this is 5, 4, 3, 2, and then plug all strings, and then 6, 4, 3, 2, and then plug all strings. So that's now G. And then for D, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then plug all strings. And then for A major, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then plug all strings. Okay, so the first chord, B minor 7, B7, B minor, whatever you want to call it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, 5, 4, 3, 2, plug, and then G, and then D, and then A. Okay, so for the chorus, we're having this B7 and then G, right? And then you go to D, and then you go to A major. That's the first time you play it, and then you play it the second time. Right? And then the third time you're playing B7, everybody hurts somebody, and then we go to A major, and then we go to G major, and then lastly we have a C, okay? So bear that in mind. You have that first part playing twice, and then the third time you change the chords. Now let's get into the verse, okay? You can't avoid it. Matter to you, why to leave a space? Okay, so the verse, we're doing second verse right now, which is the same as first verse. Okay, so we have this is a D, and then alright, so we have a D major to A major. Hold on a second. So we have D, we go to A, and then we go to, what's the next chord? This is my first time listening to the song, by the way, so I'm literally trying to figure out the chords. That's how I do all my interpretations. So we have D, and then we have A major, and then all right, so we have an A6. Okay, so we have, sorry, we have a D, and then we go to A, I'm just trying to make sure. We have a D. I know we had a diss and run to A, and then we have a. Okay, so I'm using A6, which is A, but with the bass on the 2nd fret, and then we go to G. You can also use a B7 instead, but I think the A6 sounds better. So we have a D, A major, and then we have this A6, and then G, okay? If you want, you can play like this, D. I'm gonna show you how you use the B7 to A, right? And then you have your B7, and then G. But I really feel like the A6 sounds better. And then you go to Everybody's Trying, Darling, which is B7. Everybody's trying, darling. This is the pre-chorus. B7, to A major, a G, and then C. And then we go to the chorus. And that's the same chords as the first chorus that I showed you. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. It's an amazing song. Make sure you learn it, okay? Even if you're not familiar with the chords, I have a chord video. It's in my description. It'll teach you how to hold each chord in detail so that you know how to play this song. It's good for learning new chords and a new style of playing, basically. It's not your typical pop song that's written with 4 basic chords. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.